Welcome to the Online Business AMA podcast, the podcast where I answer your most pressing questions about building and growing a successful online business. I'm your host, Lauren Diana, certified business strategist and coach, here to give you the clarity, support, and strategies you need to thrive. Let's dive into today's question. Welcome back to the Online Business AMA podcast. Today's question from Bella is perfect for this time of year. Bella asks, I'm torn. Should I do a Black Friday sale for my business? If yes, how do I decide what to feature and figure out the pricing? If that sounds like you, you're not alone. Black Friday can feel overwhelming, especially with so much noise online. Let's break it down and figure out if a Black Friday event is right for your business and how to make it work without the stress. Should you do a Black Friday sale? Ask yourself these 3 questions. Does your audience expect it? Do you have something ready? Will it support your business goals? Let's dive a bit deeper into those. Does your audience expect it? Black Friday shoppers are often deal hunters, and their expectations depend on your business model. Physical products, if you sell items like planners, merchandise, or physical tools, people are likely waiting for your Black Friday announcement. They may already have your product in their cart, hoping to snag it at a discount. Digital resources for course creators or template sellers, Black Friday is an opportunity to reach those who have been eyeing your products but hesitating due to price. A well timed sale could nudge them into action. Coaching or consulting. While these services don't typically go on sale, this can work in your favor. Offering a limited time discount, a bundle, or a bonus for Black Friday creates a sense of exclusivity and makes you stand out in a sea of generic offers. It's also a chance to highlight something unique about your services, like a mini coaching package or a VIP day. The key is to understand your audience's behavior and expectations. If they're not used to discounts from you, make your Black Friday offer feel special rather than a simple price cut. Do you have something ready? If creating a new offer from scratch sounds like a lot of work, you're not alone. It can be stressful. Instead, focus on what you already have that you can package or tweak. Existing products, highlight your bestsellers or popular services. These are proven to sell and require little extra effort to promote. Repurpose content, turn an existing course, workbook, or training into a special bundle or exclusive experience. For example, combine a course with live Q and A sessions, or create a Black Friday bundle of related resources. Small adjustments. If you've been meaning to create a new product but haven't started, consider launching a scaled back version, for instance, a 4-week coaching program instead of a full 12-week course. Black Friday doesn't have to be about creating something brand new. It's about positioning what you already have in a way that feels fresh and exciting for your audience. Will it support your business goals? Black Friday is more than just a revenue boost, it's a strategic tool for growth. Here's how it can align with your goals. Email list. Growth. Pair your sale with a lead magnet or freebie to attract new subscribers who might buy from you later. For example, offer a free mini course or resource in exchange for their email, with an upsell to your discounted offer. Introducing a new product. If you've been working on a new service or digital resource, Black Friday can create momentum around its launch. A time limited offer can give your audience the push they need to try something new. Revenue goals. If you're looking for a cash injection to hit year-end financial targets, Black Friday can help. Just ensure the discounts you offer leave you with a healthy profit margin. Audience engagement, Black Friday promotions can create excitement and get your audience talking about your brand. This is especially useful if you've been feeling a lull in engagement. The key is to ensure the sale works for you, not just your audience. If it feels out of sync with your goals or values, it's okay to skip it and focus on a strategy that's more aligned with your vision. What should you feature? Here are some strategic ideas. Feature your best sellers, your most popular product or service, something people already know and love. Create exclusive bundles by combining products or services into a package that offers extra value. For example, pair your signature course with a bonus 1-to-1 session or an exclusive workbook. Have limited time offers like a one-time workshop or mini course you only sell during Black Friday. Simple entry-level products, which is great. If you want to attract new clients, focus on an accessible offer that introduces them to your work. Choose something that feels easy to deliver and aligns with the goals you're working toward. Next, and most important, how should you price it? You don't have to discount heavily to create a compelling offer. Here are some ideas. Instead of lowering the price, create value added discounts. Add bonuses like a free Q, an A session, templates, or access to exclusive content. Tiered discounts can also be an exciting way to offer higher savings for bigger purchases. For example, 10% off a single item, 20% off a bundle, or a bigger discount for repeat buyers. Finally, you can limit the quantity or time frame, like 10 spots available or offer ends at midnight. This creates urgency without slashing prices, but be mindful with this. Fake scarcity feels slimy. Be honest with what you're doing. The key is to balance a price that excites your audience while protecting your profit margin. Quick tips for success. 1. Promote early. Shoppers plan ahead for Black Friday, so start building excitement at least a week in advance. 2. Keep it simple. Confusion kills sales. Make your offer crystal clear: what's included, how much it costs, and when it ends. 3. Create real urgency. Use clear deadlines and limited quantities to encourage fast action. So here's your homework. Decide if a Black Friday sale fits your business goals. Choose an offer you can deliver easily and confidently. Plan your pricing strategy and start promoting it now. I hope you find that helpful and gives you an idea if a Black Friday offer is for you. The goal should always be providing help and value, so worry less about having a sales for sales sake and focus on creating that value. See you in the next episode. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. I hope you found it helpful for your business. If you've got a question you'd like answered, just head on over to onlinebusinessama.com to submit yours, and it might be featured in an upcoming episode. See you next time. Want to learn more about growing your business online? Are you a coach or course creator who's looking to sell out your programs and courses? Learn more by visiting laurendiana.me.